Ready na yan.
Okay, here, he's Bong, okay. In a ferry, going to Bainbridge, and he's gonna be at the end of the ferry. Naku, mihingal kami, pasensya na. Wait a minute. Ha? Ito muna. Doon. Yeah, see. Bong, tingin ka dito. Yan. Ha. Oo, kukunan kita ng ano. Windy. It's a little windy. Okay. Yan.
Pag-ready na ako.
Oo.
Okay.
Ha, sige. Like the Titanic.
Ready na?
Kumanta, kakantahin mo yung Titanic. Okay, wait a minute.
Okay, ready to begin.
Ito yung ano ng ship.
Ready na ako.
Okay.
Hi everybody,
Yeah.
it's me. I'm here in the ferry boat, and I just want to thank Ate Cora for doing this video for me. As you can see, it's beautiful Seattle and the Space Needle, and Seattle is my favorite city in the whole entire USA. And as you can see, I'm gonna be performing a song called My Heart Will
From the
Go On.
Titanic movie.
Rose!
Where are you, Rose?
Baka nandun na sa ilalim.
Okay, tayo mo muna. I'm the king of the world. Sige. Ganyan ka.
Yo! Wala ba sa tono? You're here.
Open the door. And...
Oh, nasaan na?
Oh my God. Ano ba yung kantang
Tapos yun pala, nakatapon ako lang.
Rose? Where are you, Rose? Jack! I'm here, Jack! Where are you, Jack? I love you no matter what till the end of time! Kinakatahin mo na yung Titanic.
Hindi ako makahinga.
Sabi mo muna yung I'm the king of the world.
Ha?
I'm the king of the world.
King of the road or king of the road?
Yan.
Okay,
Yes,
I'm sorry. It's hard to breathe. I think
know.
it's, and I can even hard.
No, you just excited, excitement and anxiety because he left his luggage to Spokane. Can you imagine he left his luggage? So tonight he's gonna be wearing my lingerie and my underwear and my heels and oh my God. So, but anyway, we are stopping to a shop to buy him underwear and some clothing for a couple and G-string.
Also, all of my
Yeah.
friends, I just want to wish that you guys are all here. To Haani, to Grace, to Tahir, to Rifat, to everyone, okay? Everyone that's gonna watch this video of me. We love you. It's gonna be long, so we have to stop.